Welcome back to Wealthworth Official. I'm your host, Paras. Today we're diving deep into the trading secrets
That the pros don't want you to know. If you're looking to master high-income skills and achieve true financial freedom, you're in the right place. Let's get started. To be successful, you must first understand the rule of three. First, psychology. 90% of traders fail because they can't control their emotions. Greed and fear are your biggest enemies. Second, risk management. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your total capital on a single trade. If you have a $1,000 account, your loss should never exceed $20. Third, price action. Forget lagging indicators for a moment. Look at how the candles are moving. Are we seeing higher highs, or is the market breaking support? At Wealthverse, we focus on supply and demand zones. Look at this chart. When the price hits this specific zone, notice the massive rejection. That's where the big banks are playing. Your job is to follow the footprints of the institutions, not the crowd. Mastering these three pillars, psychology, risk, and price action, is what separates the winners from the losers. Trading is a marathon, not a sprint. If you found value in today's session, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community at Wealthverse Official. Let's build your financial empire together. I'll see you in the next video.